Okay, start of our adventure. Taking her right onto the road now to go over a great big rock and get the rest of the group over. Sarah over here, join us as always. Hi, Sarah. Yep. Okay. What happened? You don't want your glasses on? You can put your glasses on. You taking them off? Okay. What, you want me to take them? Okay. I know there's not enough sun out here, huh? Put them over here for now. Okay. All right. Make our way through all the nice greenery of the Green Mountains of Vermont. Yep, sun's coming out. We just had a big storm come through here. It's supposed to be humid next few days, so, and the rest of the week, so get some 80 degrees today. Get the clouds out of here. Hopefully it clears up a little bit, but we have storms all week, so nice that it ain't raining right now and get through here. Yep, keep it rolling until we get to the big rock, and then I'll take videos of everybody going over. Thing is, I have to straddle this big rock when I climb it, so it's up around the corner, up straight ahead, so hopefully everybody can get through. It's close to the trees. I know the Jeeps can get through, but the longer Jeep might have a little maneuvering problem, but we'll see what happens. Everybody's been going for a while, so everybody knows what the rigs can do, so. This part here is the hairiest trail here, so not too many people take it because of the big boulders that are up here, but you should be able to get right through it. Oh, got a stick on the top. Get this stick off. There. All right, see right here, it's pretty nasty. Me, I drive right up this right here. Oh, didn't make it that time. If I can cut down a little bit here. I guess when you fall off the cliff, it's kind of tough. I guess when you fall off the cliff, it's kind of tough, huh? Wow, it's slippery. Woo! Yeah, we're all hung up there. What happened to my thing? There. Should be able to cut towards the tree and pull over. Yeah. All right. All right, I gotta get the winch out. Thanks for watching.